Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best blenders available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the E310 Explorian blender. It can prepare everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to creamy soups and more with professional level precision and control. The ultra-powerful engine has 10 variable speed settings, and the heavy-duty base won't easily tip over on the counter while in use. The settings are simple and easy to use, and this machine performed admirably in all of our kitchen appliances lab tests, quickly grinding coffee beans and whipping up milkshakes and margs. You won't find a better performing, more durable choice, and it's a fraction of the price of comparable Vitamix models. One thing to keep in mind is that the carafe is on the tiny side, with only 6 cups. At number 2 is the K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender. This blender looks and works better than most blenders in its category, thanks to its high-quality design. With a 6-cup capacity, its pitcher is on the tiny side, but it can still whirl up a soup or smoothie in one batch. The smoothie had a little texture from the strawberry seeds in our tests, but it was still quite creamy and thick. The broccoli and leek soup had some texture as well, although it was as velvety as you'd expect from a pureed soup. This blender, unlike most others on the market, only has 3 settings and a pulse setting. This blender has a simple design that is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. Consider the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender if you have a bit more money to spend. It offers a larger capacity, more blender settings, and better performance in our tests, all for a lower price than comparable high-powered blenders. At number 3 on our list is the blender combo. This reasonably priced and powerful blender comes with 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different sized personal cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups feature lids, making it simple to carry your smoothie with you on the move. It has an extract button that combines smoothies at varying speeds pre-programmed by the user. In all 3 jars, we blended kale smoothies. They were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also made a superb, uniformly processed daiquiri by effortlessly blasting through frozen strawberries. The base is similar in size to previous NutriBullet bases, and it incorporates suction cups on the bottom to keep it from moving around. Remember to detach the personal blending cups from the base rather than the blade mounts. It's easy to make a mess if you don't. Moving up at number 4 is the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were blown away by how nicely this blender operated given its low price. The green smoothie setting produces a smooth and creamy texture with no visible kale or spinach fibers. This blender also has a normal smoothie button that makes a juice bar quality smoothie in under a minute. This blender blended soup with a silky smooth texture and made a fantastic margarita in our tests. The Fresh and Furious is simple to clean, and the jar and cap can both be washed in the dishwasher. Despite the fact that the jar is only 50 ounces and stained somewhat by tomato sauce, we found very few problems in our tests. At number 5 is the A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix has a loyal following, and we were impressed as well. This blender did a fantastic job grinding coffee beans and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It includes a 64-ounce jar, which is one of the largest we tested, making it ideal for large batches. We found the touchscreen controls to be simple to operate, the jar to be well-fitting on the base, the handle to be comfortable to hold, and the lid to be easily on and off. The jar cannot be washed in the dishwasher, but the lid and tamper are. Additional attachments, such as a food processor and a personal blending cup, can be purchased. Self-detect technology in the attachments allows the blender to recognize which container is on the base and change the blending settings accordingly. The Ascent can also connect wirelessly to an app on your phone, which includes 17 programs for making smoothies, baby food, nut butters, as well as grinding, chopping, frothing, and cleaning. It has a 10-year standard guarantee, which is quite excellent. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.